Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Academy. In this session, we are going to learn how to set up units and drawing limits in AutoCAD. For this purpose, let us open AutoCAD. Just go to New and let's turn off these grids. Now for setting units, you have to type UN and press Enter. After pressing Enter, you will see a window. In this window, you can change your units according to the system you are going to follow. If you are working in metric units, then you have to put this value to decimal and precision will be 0 and this insertion scale unit will be millimeters. After this, you can just press OK since degrees will be in decimal degrees and precision, the degrees precision will be 0. So you no need to change these values. And if you are going to work in metric system, these values will be applied. But if you are going to work in imperial system, that means feet or inches, you have to set these values to engineering or architecture. Let's keep it engineering now. And precision will be 0 feet 0 inch and the insertion scale unit will be inches. After this, you can just press OK. Now for setting limits, you have to type LIM and enter, and you have to set the model space from this corner to this corner. For this corner, let's type 0, 0, 0, 0 and enter. And for the upper corner, upper right corner, let's type 500 feet, 500 feet and enter. Now for these limits to fit into our screen, let's type Z enter, E enter, where Z means zoom and E means extends. And this is the method by which you can set up our units and drawing limits in AutoCAD. After setting limits and units, you can save your drawing. For that, you have to go to this file and save as or save. Let's do save as and let's save it on desktop and name it as unit setup and save. That's all for today. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thank you.